November kicks off with major IPOs. Swiggy, Sagility, Acme Solar and Niva Bupa ready for launch in a packed primary market. Mahima is standing by to tell us more about the IPOs that are the buzz of the market.
So in terms of the primary markets, this week will remain completely action-packed. But before that, just to give a brief about how 2080 panned out for IPOs, where in 2080 somewhat, 85 companies raised around 1.21 lakh crore via IPOs in the main board space. And moving on, in 2081, in the first week itself, we will be witnessing 4 new main board IPOs which will open for subscription this week. And they'll be raising approximately 18,534 crore in the first week itself, and this amounts to roughly 15% of the 1.21 lakh crore raised by the 85 companies in somewhat 2080. Now moving on to what IPOs are set to open this week. First one is Sagility India, where the issue size is roughly 2,107 crores and the price band is set between 28 to 30 per share. In terms of the issue size, it's an OFS of 70 crore shares by the promoters of Sagility BV, and it is affiliated with the EQT Private Capital Asia. Now, in terms of how the IPO will pan out, where in terms of pre-IPO, it has raised around 366 crore by selling 2.61% stake to 9 institutional investors in October around 31st itself. Moving on, the next IPO that will be in focus will be Acme Solar Holding, where the issue size is 2,900 crores. The price band is set between 275 to 289 per share. The issue dates are between 6th of November to 8th of November. It's a fresh issue of 2395 crore and offer for sale stands at around 505 crore. In terms of the next IPO in focus, it will be Niva Bupa Health Insurance. The issue size for this particular IPO is again 2,200 crores. Issue dates between 7th of November to 11th of November. It has a fresh issue of 800 crores and OFS of around 1,400 crores. And the price band for this particular IPO is set between 70 to 74 rupees. The next in line is the most awaited IPO, that's the Swiggy IPO. And for particulars of Swiggy IPO, the issue size is 11,327 crores. The issue date, the IPO will open between 6th of November and end on 8th of November for subscription. The price band for Swiggy is set between 371 to 390 per share, and the offer for sale from the 11,327 crores stands at around 6,828 crores, and the fresh issue for this particular IPO is 4,499 crores. Now, in terms of how Swiggy's IPO has been so far, in terms of pre-IPO, a lot of celebrities have invested in Swiggy. We have Ramdev Agrawal, Amitabh Bachchan, Rahul Dravid, Madhuri Dixit, Karan Johar, who have shown interest in the Swiggy IPO in the pre-IPO segment itself. So all of these investors have already shown interest in the Swiggy IPO, and of course the retailers will set to show their interest on 6th of November till 8th of November. Now, how the funds will be utilized by the Swiggy management? Well, they'll be repaying the Scootsie amount of roughly 1,343 crores. They'll also be using some fund for their tech and cloud infrastructure of around 703 crores. Marketing spends will be approximately 1,115 crores, and they aim to reduce their debt of 137 crores also via the proceeds that they will receive via the IPO. Overall, in terms of valuation picture as compared to Zomato, Swiggy is valued at $11.3 billion, and Zomato's current market cap stands at roughly $26 billion. So Zomato's market cap is almost double of what Swiggy is being valued at right now. So that's a plus point overall also for Swiggy. However, Swiggy is around 4 to 6 quarters away as per analysts from being EBITDA positive. So that is one of the key metrics to watch out for when it comes to the Swiggy IPO. So this is the overall view of how IPOs will pan out in this week overall in the main board space.